Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this playlist. myEcon 2025 real success stories, my friend. Real people getting real results using myEcon right here, right now in 2025. And if you haven't seen any other videos in this playlist, going to leave the link in the description down below. You can see the whole playlist and see all the different people that are on our team. And there's going to be multiple here in this playlist that you can check out. Now, we're going to dive right into it right now and talk about my gal Shannon. She is rocking myEcon right now in 2025. As a matter of fact, she just recently ranked up to platinum, and she is very close. She's probably within, I'd say, 10 or so people from hitting infinity, which is one of the top tiers inside of myEcon. So super proud of everything that she has accomplished, and she is a true action taker. So, how does someone get results in myEcon specifically with our team? Well, as soon as you guys get started with us, links in the description down below, you can see my full overview of how our funnel team marketing and training system works. And I'll walk you through it, how you can plug in right now today and start getting results as soon as today. That's what the people here in this playlist, exactly what they're doing. So first, before I show you this, we're going to dive on over to our results Facebook group. And of course, if you want access to this Facebook group, just comment Facebook group in the comments down below. I'll reply with the link here and let you in. We have two Facebook groups. We have one, which is where everybody meets. We have almost 6,000 members in there where we go live every single day. We do trainings, education, all those things to help our team build and grow. This specifically is a newer Facebook group, and this is designed where people can go share their results. This is open to the public. Anybody can join this, okay? So our other Facebook group is exclusively just for team members. So if we come over here, Shannon has posted in here a few times. So if I just pull up her name, okay, you can see that obviously she's posting and, she's generated hundreds of leads. This was literally just in a day or two. She had over 100 leads from her social media channels. Now, she's getting these leads direct to her app. Now, we have an exclusive app that was custom built for us, for our team. This is exclusive to our team inside of myEcon. You will not find this app anywhere else but on our team. So you see that little 101, that's how many leads she generated in a very short amount of time following our training. But of course, she's in here posting that she's getting sales, and she does this quite a bit. Again, she ranked up to platinum and is very, very close to infinity, which, is about 100 people on your team. So that's no short feat right there to get 100 people on your team, especially in today's day and age of, building a business, a successful home-based business from home. Most people just start and quit and jump on to, move on to the next shiny object. Well, Shannon is a true action taker and kept going and found ways to win. So in this video, I want to show you exactly what she's doing to win and specifically how she's doing it. So how is she getting these results? So first and foremost, one of the things that Shannon does is she has a TikTok channel. And you can see it right here. You can even see, obviously, what the handle is. If you want to go follow her over on TikTok, you certainly can. But it all starts with short form video, okay? Specifically starts with short form video. So where to learn short form video? Well, again, in our team training site here, that's where you download your app right there. You learn how the app works, what to do, how to set up your funnel links, all that good stuff, okay? And then right here, specifically in the start promoting section, where you go right here where it says what the process looks like. This is where we show you how to start creating short form videos, okay? In another video where I talked about Clint, I showed you his TikTok channel where he was creating these little just, 7 to 10 second videos. He wasn't even talking. And, he specifically learned that with this video right here and in this section of our team training site. That's exactly the same thing that Shannon went through, okay, for her specific TikTok channel. Okay, she comes over to here, all these videos that she's making right here, how she, built up over 5,000 followers to her channel. Okay, you can see right here, hundreds of views, some of these videos, thousands of views. Nothing crazy, there's nothing crazy right there. She's just following the scripts, the literal scripts that we give our team members. Here's your script, here's your formula, apply this to your videos. That's exactly what Shannon did. Okay, she's got her website right here, and this website goes directly to her sales funnel. Okay. The sales funnels that she's using are the sales funnels that we supply our team. The sales funnels do all the selling and telling. These videos that Shannon has here, these are quick little 20, 30-second videos. As a matter of fact, I'll click on one of these videos just to show you right here, okay, the time frame. Okay, you can see right here, I'll pause the video. Okay, this is literally a 34-second video. So are you going to sell a business opportunity in 34 seconds? Generally, no. Okay. You're not going to sell the whole business right there. Okay. But, you know, what the short form videos are intended to do, just like Clint in one of the other videos here in this playlist I showed you, is you want to get people from a short form video, whether it's a 7-second video, a 10-second video, a 30-second video, you want to get them from there over to a long form video. So when you go to Shannon's link right here, okay, you're going to land on a longer form video. Now, here's what Shannon also does really, really well. Shannon also has her own YouTube channel. And again, before I go there, I'll show you, she specifically learned how to do YouTube in our team training site down here in your bonuses section. Okay. There's a section called YouTube University. Okay. This YouTube University shows you step by step from scratch how to build a YouTube channel, how to set up your profile pics, your bio, your thumbnails, your videos, all of that stuff, your keywords, everything you need to know, uploading, editing, everything you need to know about YouTube. What we also have in here is YouTube Shorts training. Okay, this teaches you and shows you how to do YouTube Shorts. So when we head on over here to YouTube and we look exactly what Shannon is doing, if I come over here and I just search myEcon, okay, and we start scrolling through, and you could do a search right now, boom, you're going to find Shannon's videos. Okay, so Shannon learned how to promote on YouTube from our system. So how is Shannon just about right now ready to rank up to infinity and open up the biggest part of the myEcon compensation plan? By following our training and applying what she's learning. So if we go over here and just click on one of her videos, I'm going to try to find her actual channel. Okay. So I'm going to click right there and you can see it right here. Okay. Here's her channel. Again, I'm sure you could see that on your screen. If you want to go follow her over on YouTube, you can certainly do that. And this is where she's landing a lot of her sales, because in her videos over on TikTok, she's actually letting people know that they can find her in other places on social media. Like they can find her on Facebook. They can find her over on YouTube. And then when you come over here and you look at some of the videos she's putting out right here, is she doing a video every single day? No. She's just following the training, maybe doing a video or two a week, and you can see right here, okay, this was a day ago, 3 days ago, 6 days ago, 6 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So, I mean, she's being fairly consistent over here. She's making videos about myEcon, okay? And I'm showing her in the team training site exactly how to do that. And she's just going out and doing it. So again, following the training, learning exactly what to do, and just going to do it. That's it. No excuses, no, jumping from one opportunity to the other, just literally following along step by step and applying, just like Clint and others, exactly what they're learning right here in our team training site, which shows you step by step how to build and grow your myEcon business. Okay. And it's as simple as that. So, you get in there, you follow along. We show you exactly how to start with the short form videos, how to get people from a short form video to a long form video. And just like Clint and many others here in this playlist, when people go to Shannon's account and they go to her link is going to take you to one of our sales funnels. The sales funnels do the selling and telling for you. Okay. So it's as simple as that. And again, whether it's you're watching one of Shannon's videos on TikTok or you watch one of her videos on YouTube, when it's time to plug people in, the funnels are doing the selling and telling for you. Now, Shannon's taking a little bit further by also making some of her own full-length YouTube videos, which is kind of above and beyond the short form videos. So she's taking more action than most people, but she's also, think about this, she's also getting more results than most people. She's about to rank up to infinity, and it's because she's taking more action. It's simple as that for you. The more action you take, the more results you get. It's a pretty simple equation. It's just basic math, okay? So there you have it, my friend. Any questions for me? I left my phone number right at the top of this video. Send me a text message. Also, you can easily drop a comment down below. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor, my friend. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, ring the bell and get notified anytime I post new content. You will be the first to know. If you're ready to get started in myEcon, my friend, links in the description down below. There's also more links down there. If you want to head over to my free training series where I walk you through this entire system, everything you get, over $10,000 in free value, those links are also in the description down below. Appreciate you watching, my friend. Move on to the next video or get started. Trust me, my friend, it's much better to be here on the inside than it is standing there on the outside looking in. I'll see you on the next one.